Why do cats consume grass? Owners of cats have occasionally noticed their pet eating grass and have wondered, why does my cat eat grass? It turns out that for one reason or another, the majority of cats will occasionally consume grass. Cats may consume grass for a number of reasons, including dietary advantages, its natural laxative properties, and its capacity to soothe an upset stomach. Folic acid, a vital vitamin that stimulates cell growth, aids in digestion, and aids in hemoglobin formation, is present in grass juice, and is also present in their mother's milk. Sometimes cats are tempted to eating grass in an effort to make up for nutritional deficiencies. As long as the grass hasn't been treated with pesticides or herbicides, cats can consume it in moderation.